guy stomping in his bed? Who goes stomp, stomp, stomp? Who goes stomp, stomp, stomp? Does he stop giggling for the camera? Huh? Does he stop giggling for the camera? Who goes stomp, stomp, stomp? Is he a troublemaker? Is he a troublemaker? Is the guy a troublemaker? Does he go stomp, stomp, stomp on his bed? Huh? Does he go stomp, stomp, stomp? Does he stomp, stomp, stomp in his bed? Does he stomp? Does he stomp in his bed? Does he go stomp, stomp, stomp? Stomp, stomp, stomp. What does he do? What does he do, easy boy? What does he do? What does that guy do? Huh? What does he do? What does he do, huh? He won't giggle? Huh? But no giggling on camera. Huh? Where is that giggle? Where is that elusive giggle? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Huh? Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomping in his bed. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Rump, rump. Beep, beep. No, not Screech's giggles. We're looking for giggles. Huh? Screechy cheep. Chirpy bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. No, where's the giggle? Where's the giggle that you just gave me? Then I ran and grabbed the camera and now there's none left. Are you all out for the day? You filled your quota? Huh? Where's that giggle? Where's that giggle? Silence. Yeah? Okay, bless you.